Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you the old timer way to turn your trailer from this into this. We're going to be staining the deck, but we're going to use a traditional method. It's been around for a long time. It's going to be 50-50. We're going to use our used motor oil and some diesel gas as a thinner. You can see here we came prepared. We got our diesel gas, and right here is used motor oil, so we got a good supply of it from plenty of oil changes right there. Let's clean this trailer off and we're gonna show you how we do this. We bought this trailer used last year. It's in decent shape, but the boards, you can tell, it's been a while since somebody has treated these. This is really dry. This method should ensure its longevity. Okay, we got a clean deck here. I swept and used the blower on it, and now we're gonna mix up. So we're gonna do about a 50-50 mix on the used motor oil to the diesel. We're just gonna mix it up in small batches too, a little bit at a time. This doesn't have to be super perfect either. This used motor oil probably has bugs in it and stuff. This bucket has a little bit of gunk at the bottom. So we'll just give it a couple plugs. And now our diesel. No need to be too precise. You're just looking for about 50-50. 60-40 is fine. So that diesel's gonna thin it out. You can see we're pretty brown. We're pretty dark in there. I think that's a bug floating there. That ain't gonna hurt nothing though. You can use your choice on this. I'm gonna use a mop today, but you can use a sprayer, a mop, a paint roller. If you're gonna use a sprayer, do make sure that you got it thin enough to go through that sprayer without getting oil all up in it. I'm gonna start at the top and work my way down. Well, you can see a dramatic color shift already. I'm not getting much of a shine, I think because it's just soaking in. That wood is so dry. All right, we're gonna finish up the tail end here and we'll see what the whole thing looks like. All right, take a look at that. That is after a few days. We had one rain and then the hurricane came through. So we got some rain. We didn't get too bad of a hurricane up here. It's obvious it needs another coat though. We're gonna do another 50-50 mix on this. It's gonna soak up this next coat too, I'm pretty sure. Also, if you're worried about the diesel smell, there is no smell to my reckoning. It's all gone after the first day, at least, if not in the first few hours. It's been a week and I have no smell here. Well, this thing is sitting in the sun in the morning. Okay, let's mix up another batch.
Let's see like gas. That's gas. Ew. Watch out, it's clear. It doesn't look like water, but it's. Now mix it.
Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, rolling. Alright. Rolling, 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 rolling. Dip. Okay folks, let's see the before and after. It's been a day and a half since we did coat number 2 on this and it's looking fantastic. I don't know what color you call that. It's not mahogany, 5W20 maybe. The old timer methods still work. Almost makes you wanna go get a burger and a bottle of pop for 30 cents. 2 coats on these boards We used only about a gallon of diesel. Probably used about the equivalent of the used motor oil. I couldn't even take that used motor oil to the auto parts store. The truck hadn't come by and their tank was full, so this ended up being a great use for it. So you can consider this the cheap or even free option depending on your perspective. And it looks so much better than it did, and it's going to be protected from the elements and from the weather and rain and everything else that's going to get on it. So this old timer method can be used for staining and sealing your trailer boards, old fence posts, anything else that you want, sheds or whatever. Some people used to put their fence posts in a barrel, put oil and diesel in that barrel, just let them soak. It may not be as pretty as a redwood stain, but it's a little bit cheaper. All in all, this is a super easy and cheap way to protect the wood on your trailer. You may want to check your local laws before you try this, because I don't know where you live and what the laws are there. Okay, when I get a chance, I'm probably gonna lift this up and try to spray the underbottom of it with a spray gun. Just time doesn't permit to do that right now, so maybe I'll save that for another video. Okay folks, I'm really happy with it. I hope this helps you. I hope you were doing it too. Drop us a comment below. Let me know if you tried this or if you're gonna do it. We'd love to hear if this helps you out there. Make sure to give us a like, hit your subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on Homestead, y'all.